After watching Moonlight Jewel's videos, I got inspired to make ball-jointed dolls myself because I like posable action figures. But now that they're done, I have no idea what I should call them. Or do you think it's too cursed to give them a name? My first custom ball-jointed doll was based on the Polaris BJD on Thingiverse, but I modified it with the 1/3 BJD from Thingiverse also. The scale is at 60% of the models on Thingiverse, and I printed it in green locally recycled filament. The overalls pattern I bought from the Enchantarium web store and printed it out at about 80% scale. And the t-shirt is just a simple t-shirt pattern that I glued together with fabric glue and decorated it with a marker. The beanie I made from an old sock. Beanie patterns are also very simple. And the hair are made from 2 different colors of embroidery yarn. I think it's more than 2 colors. And instead of making a wig with wefts, I just knotted the yarn onto a wire and attached it to the skull, and the beanie hides the seams. The face is painted with acrylic, and the eyes and mouth I have added a layer of clear lacquer to give it a little bit of a shine. The shoes I printed in black and painted them also with acrylic. So, what do you think a good name would be?